Happy week 6, kids. This week we're going to be learning a lot about interquartile range, which is the spread of a data set, and how to make box and whisker plots, which is another visual that we can use to look at data. And there's going to be some ed puzzles that you're going to complete. You're going to be doing some work with me. You're going to do MobyMax for 30 minutes this week, either finishing your placement test or working on your math pathway. So you're going to click on the little green math box. You're going to learn a little bit about box and whiskers using ed puzzles and a video. And then you're going to work on box and whiskers with me. On Monday, you will do your Monday and Tuesday opener activity. There's a video here if you need help with it. So please click there if you need help with Monday and Tuesday's opener. And it'll always explain what you're doing really quickly, but make sure you look on Google Classroom for very specific instructions. On Tuesday, there's another Monday and Tuesday video. Wednesday, another video for your opener, because you only have 3 openers this week. So make sure you really focus and get those done really, really well. I'm giving you less openers so that we can have more time to discuss in class. I want you guys to have some discussions. So Wednesday's MobyMax Day, Thursday there's another video, and Friday there's a video for you to look at if you need help with those openers. They are 2 truths and 1 lie openers, and I know you guys like those. So have a great week. You see Fridays here. We will be discussing Wednesdays and Thursdays openers in Friday's class, so be prepared. Can't wait to get another week 6 done. I also want to remind you that in week 6 is the last week of the triad, so any missing work has to be done. I will not accept it after the end of the triad. So please get it into me by Wednesday at the very latest.